I think we're losing Neko slowly but surely.
Huh?
I think we're losing you slowly but surely.
I met one of the caravan
I don't know
leaders.
what you're talking about.
You do that? If you find... Thank you. As promised, let me show you a thing or two about bargaining. Don't want some shifty merchant giving you a raw trade. Farewell.
Do you get to the Cloud District very often? Oh, what am I saying? Of course you don't.
Come to
Shut your
check with
filthy
an old
mouth. Where is this dumbass? Face. Sitting down.
Another wanderer
eating
here to
food.
lick my father's boots.
Good job.
Father
I
says
serve
I'm too
Jarl
young to
Balgruuf
channel the
as
sword, so I
splendid.
practice
There's a
with my
house of
fists.
wonderful. Here's the key to your new home.
Yeah. Stop that.
Enjoy your visit to Dragon's Reach.
Yeah. Fucking Lydia ramming me in the ass. Moving me in ways I never thought I could be moved ever again. Ooh. Hi.
Lady, could you spare a coin? Hi there. Oh, thank you. Divines, bless your kind heart.
Lydia, I swear to God. So I'd stream now and then stream in the middle of the night, probably. Ah, I missed both of them. Missed both of my lightning strikes, clearly. Sorry, I didn't hear that.
Someone there?
Fuck it.
Wander in here. The entrance isn't exactly clear. Someone there?
Whoops, sorry.
There's someone there.
Thought I heard something.
I think you should just affect the, What? The fuck? Oh, I just missed. Knock, knock, open up the door, it's real. Ah, everything's turning green. Jesus fucking Christ, Lydia. Leave some for me. Okay, or don't. Did it look like that something was riding that fucking thing? Oh, you just had to make it a me problem. Kind of rude. Lydia! We were watching The Princess Bride. Nice. Kill him with flowers! Actually... Watch where you're fucking shooting, assholes. Fine. We might be able to kill people with a flower. If I could do a certain quest. Which has already been requested of me, so I better do it. Neko the flower killer. Okay, time to level up. Magicka, health, or stamina? Magicka, health, or stamina? You want it Magicka again? Are you sure about that? We have not raised my health at all, and we raised my stamina once. And you want me to put it in Magicka again? It's Pogfish! Yo! We got a Pogfish! Nice. Anyway. I'm sorry, what? Ow. What the hell is even going on? Apparently me not having enough... Oh, I have a problem there. There we go. Oh, what the hell is going on? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I'm gonna die. Could you guys stop fucking draining my health because of bullshit for a second?
I'll show you what a real
Real orc can do a backflip. A golden arrow. Oh. Ow. Lydia, could you do something? Can you be up for more than 5 fucking seconds, Lydia? Oh, you both have the same voice actress. I got confused and really happy there for a second. I thought Lydia was getting out, but no. I don't know. Oh. Hi.